Hello friends, we will continue on PPC. What is the mean of PPC? It's pay per click. The is the Amazon's general advertisement type. You can take out advertisement by paying per click. Where these advertisements are seen. For example, when you write inflatable travel footrest pillow in the search box, there are 3 of sponsor tags. You can see them on the top of the page. These are taking out advertisements on Amazon to increase their selling rate, even though their place are not the front. The first product might have high selling rate, but I don't think the third one has the same. But it is on the front anyways. PPC advertisement places are like an example. Amazon put them on the top, the middle, or the bottom side of the page. Some products have a sponsored tag. These are the product which take out advertisement. On the top section, there is a headline. You can take out advertisement in this section if you have a trademark registration. Otherwise, you can take out advertisement anywhere on the page, but headline. You can take out PPC advertisement in other products page as well. On the bottom of their page, there is a section under the title sponsored products related to this item. You can take our advertisement here too. Besides, in the right side of the products page, you can see the advertisements. Generally, PPC is used on Amazon. I explained to you how the PPC works. There is a beat rate in PPC. The more high beat rate, the more shown front places. For example, if it is paying $1.50, it is probably paying fewer like $1 for the bottom side. Your advertisement place depends on your beat offer. I will explain them all in the advertisement section. I just wanted to show you what the PPC is. There are 2 different campaigns in PPC. One of them is auto and another one is manual. There is only one difference between them. At manual, you are determined at which keywords you want to be indexed, and at auto one, Amazon determines the indexed keywords. In the selling strategy section, we mentioned a few launching. One of them works on giveaway. And the second one is starting with PPC advertisement. You can use one of them, and I mentioned the differences between them already. If you want to use PPC, there are some specific knowledge that you should know. First of all, you should have at least 4 to 5 reviews. That is, I advise you to start with giveaway, because you can have reviews in this way. You can have reviews in different ways. For instance, your friends might write something. However, if you want to start with PPC, you can, of course. If you don't have reviews, I don't recommend you to start with PPC, because customers who have a look at your products page likely won't buy the product because of the reviews numbers, thus you likely make a loss. For instance, let's say 10 customers visit your page, and only one of them buy your product, and you paid $1 for take our advertisement. It means that you lose $10 for a product, and it is a very big loss indeed. So, you might make a loss until you get enough reviews in this launching. I am already explaining both of the launching strategies. You will make a decision which is better for your product. As I said, I already explained what should you do in the launching strategies lesson. Let me mention one more thing, then we can pass the auto launching section. Let's say you want to have profit by PPC. Firstly, if you choose the product which has at least $5 to $6 profit rate, your profit rate will likely raise. Why I am saying so, let me explain. Let's say you are paying $1 for beat rate, it is the averagely, and suppose that one customer on the 5 buy your product. The conversion rate is 20%, and it is pretty good. The advertisement cost is $5 per product. Your profit margin might be 30%. If your product price is $10 and you earn $3 per product, it means that you make a loss $2 per each product because while you have $3 per product, you are losing $5 per product. However, if your product price is $25 and your profit margin 30%, so you can earn at least $7 to $8 per product. And if you pay $5 for PPC, you can save $2 to $3 of your profit. Thereby, if your product price is over $15, it is better and easier to start with PPC. If your price is high, it is possible to earn good money, otherwise the profit is a little bit difficult. You can use the PPC advertisement, with a little bit losing at the beginning in the launching, however it is hard to continue. In order to have profit, our conversion rate must be at least 20%. Below 20% is not good a conversion rate, we can say. It is really hard to reach 40% conversion rate. Thereby, if you choose over $15 to $20, PPC would be beneficial to use. We have talked about the auto and manual PPC types, and our reviews are already ready in the product launching. We will start the advertisement process, and it will continue 1 to 2 weeks. We will make a decision how long the advertisement will continue according to our selling rate. Our purpose using Auto PPC is find the keywords with high selling rate. We are analysis the keywords by Helium or others and using the Scrabbles tools. However, it is really important to get these dates from Amazon. It is not so much important if we lose or not at the beginning, because we are having really useful dates from the Amazon. Maybe we lose firstly, however, in this way, we are earning very important infos that we will use later on. Thereby, in the PPC, you should continue even if you make a loss. Don't forget that we are having useful infos from Amazon. In a minute, I'll explain the PPC, and we will take out an Auto PPC advertisement. Later on, we will evaluate our advertisement reports at which keywords we have profit and make a loss. And we will continue with the keywords which provide us profit. And we will take out manual advertisement with these keywords. By optimizing the keywords which make profit and removing the keywords which make a loss and raising our beat rate on the profitable keywords, we will continue and make profit gradually. As I mentioned before, you can make lose because you won't have enough reviews, and in order to go further with some keywords, you will offer high beat rate at the beginning. You shouldn't care about the losing at the beginning. We will overcome it gradually by making keyword analysis, and we'll start to make profit as much as we can. Keywords are pretty important for us at PPC advertisement. We have made keyword search analyses in the product choosing, the product listing, and the giveaway sections. These keywords are important for us. I won't make keyword analyze here, once more. We have made it in 3 other sections. Especially the determined keywords for giveaway were pretty important. We were searching for the keywords which have at least 500 searched volume, and we're choosing one of them. By the way, if you don't use filter for the keywords, you can see all of them related to your product. It might be useful to focusing at the PCC advertisement. Giveaway is a little bit different because we focus on only one product in the giveaway. Thereby, we will try to find all keywords in the giveaway. The more know about the product, the more we can make much more profit from the product. What will we do now? Auto PPC advertisement. At our first strategy, we received 5 to 10 reviews thanks to the giveaway. Then, we'll analyze the auto and manual PPC advertisement reports. At our second strategy, we will start the PPC directly for a few weeks, then we'll continue by manual PPC after analyze the advertisement reports. Then we are starting with Auto PPC advertisement. How can you make this Auto PPC advertisement? Let's pass the Seller Center in Amazon. There is an advertising section in the bar of the Seller Center page. Then, you'll choose the Campaign Manager. It is a page that you will prepare your advertisement. After entering the Campaign Manager, you are entering the page that you will create your advertisement. You can create your own advertisement as you wish. Let's create an auto campaign together. In order to create a campaign, you should click the yellow button on the screen. Amazon offers you 2 kinds of advertisement. One of them is sponsored brands and another one is sponsored products. If you have a trademark registration, you should mark it here. The sponsored brands is the top of the page. I already showed it to you. And the sponsored products is not the top side of the page, it is the products that stay on the screen side by side. We are starting to take out an advertisement by the sponsored products. The first things in this section is give a name of your campaign. Let's make the name New Campaign. You should write the names related to your products, because when you want to create a new campaign, you can understand the campaigns directly. Probably, you will have plenty of campaigns after a while, so make a good name related to your product. There is a daily budget section. You can upload the dates anytime, and now, I am choosing a starting time, but I won't choose an ending time. You can start the daily budget with $10. How can you determine this budget? It depends on your products. You will control at which time it will finish. Let's say that you adjust the advertisement and it finish at 7 p.m. Then you should increase the daily budget to $15. You will check the time until find the time that's seen in morning. You can find the daily budget in this way. If you are new, Amazon will give you a $50 bonus for PPC. You can use this $50 like this. I determined as $10 per day. You can also adjust $10 in. You can increase or decrease the budget by checking the daily finishing time. I think $100 won't be finished. And it will be a little bit difficult to learn the daily budget. Thereby the result of the campaign comes a bit later. It is useful to start with the fewer amount by increasing it. Now we are in targeting section. It is important for us. I already mentioned there are two campaigns which are auto and manual. We will choose automatic one. Our next campaign will be the manual one already. Amazon gives information in the section. The keywords are determined by Amazon in auto campaign, and the keywords are determined by the seller in manual campaign. There are three sections which are known as bidding strategy. We'll set up a bid on the bottom of the page. 75 cents means we'll pay 75 cents per clicking to Amazon. We can change the amount if we want. Actually, the bidding strategy is explaining this issue. If we choose dynamic bids down only, Amazon adjusts the position and clicking according to our product and its position. Just adjust it by decreasing. If you choose dynamic bids up and down, let's say you give 75 cents bid rate, you are seen further at some keywords with $1, and for some of keywords, 50 cents. Amazon make a list with them, and if you can choose it, the rate might change more or less. If you choose the top section, Amazon adjusts the rate downward, and if you choose the fixed bids, you can adjust the rate as you want. I advise you to choose the dynamic bids up and down. Thus, Amazon can adjust it by decreasing or increasing on the keywords for you. In this way, the reasonable one will occur soon. It is not necessary to do something else for you. There is another section in below, adjust bids by placement, replace bid. The first one top of search, first page, is the products page, and the second one product pages is the places that have sponsored tag. You can adjust the increasing or decreasing rates of these sections by your own. I will explain these changing in advanced level education. Thereby, it is not necessary to occupy with this section now. Just choose and determine the dynamic bids up and down. We'll determine our bids rate below and continue the steps. I will explain which of these are more effective and why in advanced level education. The next section is create and add group. Here, you are making a group and advertisement. We are using this section in manual PPC generally. We can make a group separately with Excel, Browse, etc. We are making auto PPC, thereby, we are not doing anything in this section. Let's write only automatic in the blink. It is okay. In the product section, you are choosing the product that you want to make a campaign at. You can choose one of your products. I have chosen one of our products too. And now, we are at the automatic targeting section. Amazon offer us that write a value between 75 cents $2.61 and advise us to write $1.52. I advise you to start from the fewer amount. 75 cents will be beneficial. Even you can start with 50 cents. You will evaluate it gradually. For EX you gave 50 cents, you will evaluate them on keywords. At which page are you on the keywords? If your keywords don't seen on the first page, it means that 75 cents doesn't fit. If your product's seen at 3 or 5 pages, you should increase the bid rate from 75 cents because in this way, customer will see your product more and click it more. So you should increase the bid rate gradually. You can start with 50 cents as bid rate and analyze the keywords that we determined at Helium. We should analyze at which keywords our products are more visible. I suppose that we are seen at 8th page with a keyword and our bid rate is 50 cents. It means that we should increase the bid rate. And we increase the rate to 70 cents and we reach at 3rd page. And we increased again to 80 cents and reach the 1st page. It means that we can be visible in the middle or the top side of the page gradually. In this way, customers start to click of our product more, so we must analyze the rate gradually. I am adjusting the set default bid as 75 cents. And there is a negative keyword section. In this section you can add the keywords that you don't want to be visible at. We don't have any data, thereby, I don't fill it now. We can write the keywords that make a lose when we have enough data. We can say the Amazon that don't show us with the keywords which make a lose for use. In this way, our profit margin will be increase. Preparing auto campaign is easy as much as you think. Our auto campaign is ready. When you click the Launch Campaign button, your campaign will start directly. Let's start our campaign. Our campaign is ready now and Amazon shows us the information about the campaign on the screen. You can edit your campaign by clicking the Edit Campaign button. Our campaign has started now. This campaign will continue for a few weeks and we will evaluate it. Later on, when we have enough data of selling, we will download the advertisement reports. And I will explain how to analyze the advertisement report in the next video. See you in the next episode.